Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be creating a DIY body lava. Rihanna has the Fenty Beauty body lava going around. Well, I have been wanting it so bad. So the other day my husband was like, well, I'm going to order it for you. So find it and I'm going to order it. So I said, okay, let me go to Sephora's website. I went to Sephora's website and they said that it was out of stock. I went to Fenty Beauty's website and it said that it was limited edition. So he ended up checking Amazon. He was like, it's $150. Do you want it? I'll order it right now if you want it. I said, pump the brakes. You are not going to order something that somebody's selling on Amazon for higher the price. It's like $46 on Sephora. And they were selling it for $156. I said, no way. You know what? Forget it. I don't want it no more. Don't give me it. So today I watched so many videos of how to create your own DIY of it. And my best friend Katie was like, why don't you just do one? It's easy. Collect all the eyeshadow pigments that are like highlight, like a little, what are they called? Like, foil, and mix them together. So I watched videos and videos after videos trying to see what the ingredients they needed. So they needed moisturizer, glycerin, water, and stuff like that. Stuff that's good for your face and good for your body. So Katie sent me this in my box and I was looking at it. I was sitting here like, wait, what kind of ingredients does it have in there? It has water, glycerin, what we need, alcohol, what we need, and all the other good stuff that we need. So I looked around my eyeshadows. I didn't find no eyeshadow palettes because I know my daughter took the ones that I didn't want. I gave it to her. So I knew I didn't have any eyeshadow palettes that I wanted to tear up. So I ended up finding this. I needed moisturizer. The only thing this doesn't have is moisturizer. So this is like a moisturizer from L'Oreal, which I'm going to be substituting for moisturizer, and it's a Lumi, so that means it shines. And I found this vintage highlighter, and if you look up vintage, these are like $20 up. I found these e.l.f. highlighters that I no longer want. And this one's pearl. And this one's hard candy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break all these up onto a piece of paper. Kind of like this. Any piece of paper. Really. I'm going to break it up on a piece of paper, and then I'm going to fold it up on the edges like that, like a triangle, to where it has a hole, and I'm going to pour it inside the bottle. And then we're just going to mix it up and see what we end with. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be bad. So yeah, oh, and I forgot. We also have this NYC sparkling eye dust. And I'm pretty sure Katie, my best friend, gave it to me. So we're going to be using this to pour in there for an extra shimmer. So yeah, let's get into this video. Guys, look how pretty this turned out. It's like a rose gold. Super shiny. I don't know if you can see that on my camera. And then I squirted some in the back of my hand. Look at that. I know y'all can see that. Look at that. This is my skin. This is the body. Lava. Skin. Body lava. It is so freaking pretty. I am so excited. Look at that, guys. You cannot tell me that. Oh my god. Look, it already dried down. Look at that. Let me go up to the light. That's the lava. This is skin. Lava. Skin. See? Look at that skin. Lava. It is so fucking pretty. Oh my god. Don't spend $46. Create your own. Eyeshadows, highlights, everything. I only used highlights though. That's all I had. But if you have eyeshadows that are super like foiled, that would be good too. Glycerin moisturizer is what you need in this. And water. Super pretty.